Staying healthy in the worst or best of times. Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here. I am a PhD, therefore I like to do a lot of research on particular subjects. And this particular one on how to keep healthy and strong your whole life started decades ago. In my teen years, went into a diabetic coma, and when I came out of the coma, I needed to do a lot of research on how to actually keep healthy. Didn't work for a while. Had a whole lot of tumors hit me, and then have been gutted a couple of different times, several different times actually. And so lots of different things have been eliminated from me, which made life just a little more challenging. But keeping healthy has always been on the top of my list, and how to go about doing it and be consistently healthy so I have lots of energy and to keep living. So that is what I'm going to go over with you, especially during this time of coronavirus. Everybody's very scared of what's going on. Whether it's flu season or cold, these tricks, skills, information, brain knowledge will help you. So let me go over what I've discovered that keeps me healthy and strong, and will do the same for you. Okay, number one, and as you can see, I'm almost done with this Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother. So it is going to be kind of cloudy at the bottom. You can start out with a teaspoon a day and build up to a tablespoon. I know some people who take a couple tablespoons in a glass of water. I can't do that. I'm not really fond of this. It is very strong. So I just put my tablespoon or teaspoon, depending on how I feel that day, in a small glass, and then I have a cup of tea ready to chase it. And I have lots of lemon in my tea, so I'm a big green tea drinker, and I put lemon every day, every day. But I drink the vinegar, and then I down the tea very, very quickly. That already has the lemon, so it actually helps cut that taste. It's worth it because it keeps me healthy. Next, and it's a big one. So vitamin D, and most of us are very short of vitamin D, especially in the winter months, because vitamin D is our sun vitamin. So anytime the sun is out, go out, stand in the sun, get some vitamin D. We can also get it in our foods, fish and nuts and egg yolks. But due to all the surgeries that I've had, I cannot actually eat as much as I need to get all the vitamin D that I need. So I, of course, take my vitamin D, and I take several thousand milligrams a day. You need to ask your doctor, find out for yourself how much you need to take in order to keep healthy. You will feel this within a few days. It is that powerful. And of course, it helps with anybody with immune suppressant issues like I have. The next is Kefir. Kefir. My sisters are a big believer in this also. Take a look at it. Okay, it looks like cottage cheese, and you can actually see how much kefir is in this glass. When you get it, if you order it, you'll get about a tablespoon of it. That's about what my sisters give out also, because you can fly it in an airplane to and fro. And below is the kefir milk. You've got kind of the yellowish part right there, and then white. And because it separates over time. So this is about 12 hours of growth. I take it twice a day. Be careful. Everybody's digestive system's very different. Maybe once is enough for you. But this is, in my opinion, absolutely the best probiotic you can take in keeping healthy. Another big issue that I know Americans have, probably a lot of people in the world also, digestive issues and constipation. If you are constipated, you are going to have more health issues. This will keep you nice and smooth and flowing. Only use organic milk. Only, because it's growing, and you want it to only grow natural. So I will take that much tonight. I take that much in the morning, and I just fill it up with organic milk, and it will keep producing. And I get so many kefir grains, I actually have to throw them out, unfortunately. If I had enough people to share them with, I absolutely would. So if you know me and you live near me, I am more than happy to share these kefir grains with you. And I just put a paper towel so it grows really, really nicely and easily. Okay, so and let me put that back on quickly because I want that protected. Other things that really, really help are Epsom salt baths. If you don't want to take a bath, make a foot bath, Epsom salts. So if you're already feeling kind of ill, Epsom salts will help. The big thing is drink a lot. And coronaviruses, other viruses, heat kills them. So drink warm water. And if you know you've been exposed and you've touched your face, that's another one. Keep your hands off your face, off your ears, off your nose, off your mouth. But drink a lot, warm water. If you need to, set a timer every 15, 20 minutes and keep that throat wet. Because if you get a dry, hacky cough right now, that is indicative of what's going on with the coronavirus, but you'll notice that with other viruses, if it's not this one, the next one. So drink a lot, drink warm water. You may be an ice water fan. Well, that's great for growing those viruses. Don't do that. Well, it doesn't like moisture anyway. The thing is, heat will kill it, and that's what you want to think about. So drink warm water, drink it a lot, keep hydrated. Exercise, of course, and I'm not talking you have to go down and lift weights. Just go out for a walk. Just go out for a walk. Hopefully it's nice and sunny out also. And bring your water bottle. Drink, walk, keep healthy. It doesn't take a lot. If you're elderly, walk in your house. Just move around your house and drink a lot. During this particular time, coronavirus, it's not a good one. So isolation does help. You can socialize via social media. We've got tons of social media. And if you're not a social media person, the phone, hey, call and talk with people. But those are the huge things I have built in and able to maintain my health, keep going, have lots of energy. Any of those of you who actually know me and been around me, incredible energy, but that is due to these things that I have come up with in order to keep healthy and strong. You can too. And the majority of you hopefully do not have immune suppressant conditions, but if you do, this is a way to fight it also. And of course, if you're diabetic, check those blood sugars, check those blood sugars. High blood sugars, sugar grows, yeah, not just enables viruses and bacteria, but of course cancers to grow. A body loaded with sugar, not good for the immune system. But anyway, keep that under control, and exercise will do that, as will lots of drinking water. Water is the best beverage. So those are some huge, whether you want to call them tricks or skills, life skills to keep healthy and strong. That will help you along the way. And of course, if you're ever feeling really bad symptoms, get yourself to the hospital ASAP, especially if you're starting out with a dry, hacky cough. It's not worth it, not this time and day. When you have something this serious, get to the hospital, make sure you get to a doctor and get help. Okay, but hopefully those things will help keep you going and keep you healthy and strong. And I will talk to you later. And if you like what you hear, of course, we have a lot more. Most of this is an educational channel. We give you a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come and join us for more instruction along the way. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.